To mirror a screen from a Motorola Edge 60 Fusion to other device, we can go to Settings. Now over here choose Connected Devices, select Connection Preferences, and over here we can go to Cast. And over here you might be able to find your other device with which you want to share the screen with. So in that case you can simply select it and you should be able to easily connect. However, in some cases you might actually want to use the Smart Connect app, so we can tap over here in order to proceed. And once you go through the permissions, etc., you should be able to add a device, and then over here you can select either, like, let's say tablet or display, and by using or by scanning, the phone scans Miracast and Chromecast for displays. So if your smart TV supports either of those, then you should be able to find it over here, select it, and mirror the screen on that device. Ideally, you want to use the same Wi-Fi network to avoid some issues with finding and detecting other devices. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!